Is TCL a smart TV? Let's clarify. Yes, many TCL TVs are smart TVs, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney+. Most TCL smart TVs run on the Roku TV platform, which is known for its user-friendly interface and easy access to a wide range of apps. Some models also come with Android TV, depending on the region, providing additional versatility and app options. TCL Smart TVs often include features like 4K resolution, HDR, and voice control, making them a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who want modern functionality. However, not all TCL TVs are smart. Some basic models may lack internet connectivity or built-in apps. If smart features are important to you, ensure the model you're considering includes them. Overall, TCL Smart TVs deliver excellent value for money, combining affordability with essential smart functionalities. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.